This is going to be a reading of a bad injector. An injector not functioning. Now we just started up, we're going to see how the emissions look. Remember, this injector not functioning. Hey, give it a little gas, like 1,500 RPMs, like a minute. You see, look at this. You're right. No ACs, right? Because I ain't pumping no gas.
There's no gas, just air.
Look at, yeah, just air. Look at the CO. Look at the O2. Like, you're right. That's very good for somebody say he don't know it, right? You kind of know it now.
Just learning right now.
We didn't know it. O2 is high, CO2 is low. This is a good indication of a bad injector. And the car's misfiring like crazy. Look at it. This thing's shaking. Look. Oh, you can't see it. Can't see that, bro. That's a bad injector. Alright. And look how clean the emissions are. Right? The only thing is a giveaway. Here's the giveaway. The misfire, the way it's misfire, and the way it has no ACs and high O2.
There's no fuel to burn.
Yeah, there's no fuel to burn. That's the giveaway of an injector. I had a car like this that kicked my ass for like 2 days. I was like, what the hell is wrong with this car? Now seeing this, it was an intermittent misfire. Then when it started missing, it did this. I said, oh man, it has a bad injector. It cut down when it got high. I let it idle. Now, hydrocarbon, that's supposed to be 50 parts per million or less. It is. CO, 0.5% or less. It is.
0.5 or 0.05?
0.5% or less. And it is. But here it is. CO2 is supposed to be 13 to 15%. CO2 at 12%, something's wrong. Alright? And the cat's trying to bring it back up. That cat's trying to bring that back up. And look at the O2. Pretty high.
How much is
right?
the O2?
On most tests, you take like ASC tests, test here, it says 1 to 2%. But in reality, the O2 and CO is supposed to match on newer cars, indicating a balanced air flow mixture. Alright? And this car is missing and got this. That's
so
pretty high.
These two numbers should be almost the same?
On a newer car, yeah.
On a new car?
Yeah. But for test purposes, like the ASC test or the test you take here for the small license,
it's 1 or 2.
This is 1 to 2%, yeah.
Or low.
Huh?
It can be low, or it has to be
that's in the range, yeah. But like I said, on an actual real car, a reality, on a newer car, these two should be matching. But look at this. 13% CO2. You think nothing wrong right now. That's good emission for the numbers I just gave you. But the problem is, if I give it gas, get a miss more, you'll really see it. Give us some more gas again, 1,500 RPMs. See it now? It got on the low, so it dropped. I think the O2 is going higher. And this is dropping. But look at this, nothing happening here. And there's no gas. It's just pumping air. Alright? And this thing, look at this thing. Look at my crazy. Again, it's all at the 5%.
So this number CO